Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to unboxing and reviewing the Tarmac Works Owners Club BRE Datsun from 2022. But as always, before we jump in, make sure to drop a like on the video if you do enjoy, and also make sure to subscribe if you are new and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's jump straight in. Now, like I say, this model is a Tarmac Works Owners Club, hence why there is a bit more premium box, and these are limited as well. Now, if you're wondering what Tarmac Works Owners Club is, it was a limited membership that is created by Tarmac Works, and you get savings on different models that they offer through their website, and also 2 exclusive models per year, this being one of the ones for 2022. Now, you also get this really cool number plate with DAT for Datsun and 1853 or 1853, which is the number of the model out of 1999 made. A nice cool way to display the number in my opinion. But the actual packaging for the model is really cool. You can see it's just the standard sleeve design with the Hobby 64 logo, and also obviously all the details underneath with the BRE colour scheme as well. Also the Tarmac Works logo with the Tarmac Works Owners Club also on the back. You can see the base does display the details for the model, including the driver of the car, also the fact that it is numbered to 1999. You can also see the BRE Datsun logo and also the colour scheme to continue out throughout the model and the packaging, which again is really cool to make them stand out. And speaking of standing out, this model definitely will amongst your collection or in a diorama. You can see the paint application is really good and the colours really pop. They've got the blue and the red absolutely spot on, and the white is really smooth with no blemishes at all. As you guys know, white is probably one of the most hardest colours to get a decent finish on, as there is so many things that can play a factor in it going wrong. You can see that the wheels do come stuck in place, but this is a Hobby 64 model, so that is going to be the standard thing, unlike the Global 64 where they do roll smooth. You can also see this model is definitely not short of detail, as it has got the chrome trim around the rear lights. It's also got the really small window decals and all the sponsors on the rear panel of the model, which again really super easy to read, and the decal application is very well done as well. You can see that it does have a little bit of a yellow exhaust tip, which again just completes a little bit of detail on the exterior. You can also see it does have the window wipers at the front, which are a little bit raised and do extend a little bit further than the window, but again it's not the biggest deal in the world, although you can see they do add a lot of detail to the model. You can also see this model does have the detailed interior with the roll cage and also the one seat having the harness. Obviously this model's interior is stripped as it is a race car, so you would only expect the one seat to be in it, and it is detailed as well. Not as much as they usually detail interiors though, I will say, and I think the roll cage could do with a little bit more detail. But overall I think this model is really well proportioned. The paint application is absolutely fantastic and I would highly recommend it. As you can see, the detail every time you look at the model just gets better and better. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But that is going to be the end of the video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, like I say, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more diecast content. Also, let me know any more models you would like to see on the channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.